You're looking at a practice that is often criticized and can be uncomfortable to watch. Chiropractic adjustments for babies. Chiropractors are no strangers to criticism.
No, but one local chiropractor is the focus of even more controversy because of who her patients are: newborns and pregnant women. Channel 4's Melanie Lawson tells us more about what she does and why she's so passionate about it.
Dr. Alterman said her inspiration to adjust babies came from moms-to-be. She said she started working with pregnant women to help them be more comfortable during their pregnancy. And also, she discovered breech babies would often turn with manipulations. And naturally, those moms would later bring in their new babies.
1-month-old Freddie's a little fussy because he just woke up. But with a gentle scoop,
when I get ready to bring him down, just...
Dr. Alterman says she can tell a lot when she holds him upside down.
When I turn him around like that, he doesn't, there's nothing fixed. He's still hanging normally and things are moving right.
She's checking the alignment of his spine.
She's so sweet and she's so gentle.
Freddie's mom, Erin, is right there to make sure her baby boy is okay. And according to Dr. Alterman, he is.
He's doing really good. So everything down here feels really good today.
4-month-old Quinlan, on the other hand, is a work in progress.
When he was born, his head was tilted to the right. That's how he stayed.
His mom, Carrie, said his ear was stuck folded down because of the position of his head, and he wouldn't breastfeed because it just wasn't comfortable. That's when her lactation consultant recommended Dr. Alterman.
I started finding this situation of breastfeeding problems due to misalignments of the neck or of the head bones, causing these babies the inability to breastfeed properly.
After the first week of using this activator,
okay, yeah, you barely feel that. There's no pain at all.
Carrie said she could see the difference.
His head was a lot straighter on his own. He actually was sleeping better. Previously he was only sleeping like 1 to 2 hours at a time at night. He started sleeping 2 to 3 hour stretches at night.
Dr. Hillary Rockwell with St. Vincent's Riverside has been a practicing pediatrician for 26 years. He is not buying the chiropractic benefits.
Kids are all over the place all the time. You're not going to realign or disalign a baby for anything you can or don't do. They're doing it all to themselves 24 hours a day.
Dr. Rockwell believes adjustments are more anecdotal than scientific.
It's not a necessary therapy. It's not even a helpful therapy. It's probably in general a harmless therapy, but it's probably going to cost you money and waste your time.
It's a debate Dr. Alterman says she's heard before, but she believes it's much more complicated.
The truth is that it's not so much that they grow out of it, is that the spine somewhere else makes a different tilt in order to compensate for whatever's going on up here. So it looks like they grow out of it, but in reality, now they have two problems.
Problems that she believes can lead to bigger issues down the road, where conventional medicine isn't always the answer.
It's not that chiropractic is the cure for ear infections. It's that if we allow the body the chance to work normally, it can heal itself from ear infections, from asthma, allergies, bedwetting.
Both these moms say they are believers because they have seen the difference.
He's doing great now. I mean, he holds his head up. I mean, you can see that.
Dr. Alterman says after that initial visit, she writes up a plan of action for the parents. Depending on the problem, the baby usually has about 3 to 5 visits a week for several weeks. And after that, the parents usually decide whether the baby needs a follow-up visit. Melanie Lawson, Channel 4, the local station.
Now, if you have any questions or concerns about baby adjustments, tomorrow on the morning show at 8:30, Dr. Franca Alterman, who is joining us live to answer them. You can send your questions or your comments to mlawson@wjxt.com or go to Melanie's Facebook page at WJXT4 Melanie Lawson.
From hops